So children, linear equations. Today we are going to discuss about the fractions. Okay, fractions. Word problems, fractions. Okay, so children, yesterday we discussed original number and reversal number sums. What was the original number? 10x plus y. What is the reversal number? 10y plus x. And what are the digits x and y? Like this, for fractions also small basics will be there, children. Fraction means x by y, children. X by y. Numerator means always x. I will take. There is no hard and fast rule. I can take y also. You can take. Okay, just I'm taking. Numerator means x. Denominator means y. So for every answer in this sum, children, do you remember I told you what is original number, what is reversal number, and what is digits I asked you. In this case, sums, you should say for every sum, what is numerator, what is denominator, what is fraction. Suppose numerator is 2, denominator is 3. What is fraction? 2 by 3. So 3 answers I should see. If I don't see 3 answers, you will not get full marks, children. These are the basics. So what is the basics, children? Numerator is x and denominator is y, and fraction is x by y. These are the basic things we are going to follow, children, here. Okay, so open here the link in the description, children. The first sum I'm going to teach you. All of you please see here, and I'm going to say 10 sums. Remaining sums you try to do on your own, children. First sum. Okay, what is the first sum they have given? The sum of numerator and denominator is 12. Sum of numerator and denominator is 12. X by y is our fraction. X is always numerator. Y is always denominator in our sums, children. Okay. Sum of numerator and denominator is 12. Okay. Next is saying that if denominator is increased by 3, if denominator is increased by 3, the fraction becomes 1 by 2. The fraction becomes 1 by 2. Go for the cross multiplication. This and this. 2x is equal to y plus 3 into 1, y plus 3. Y comes here. 2x minus y is equal to 3 is the one equation. What is the other equation? X plus y is equal to 12. Plus y minus y cancel. So what you will get, children, here? If you cancel this, so what you will get? 3x is equal to 15, x is equal to 5. If x is equal to 5, substitute in any one of the equation. 5 plus y is equal to 12, y is equal to 7. So what is our answer, children? X is 5, y is 7, fraction is 5 by 7. This should be your answer for all the sums. Compulsory, you should do like this only. I want this answer in the conclusion. Everywhere I want the answer in this conclusion. Okay, like this one, I want answer. Second section. The sum of numerator and denominator is 3 less than twice the denominator. Please see, children. Second question. What is the second question you said? Okay, children. Please see here. Please see, children. The sum of numerator and denominator is 3 less than twice the denominator. Many people will write like this: 3 less than twice the denominator. Don't write like that. If you write like that, can't, children. 3 less than twice the denominator. Like this, you should write. Be careful, children. Okay, that is why you are practicing here. The sum of numerator and denominator is 3 less than twice the denominator. This is one condition. And if each numerator and denominator are decreased by 1, if numerator and denominator are decreased by 1, the fraction becomes 1 by 2. Go for cross multiplication. 2x minus 2 is equal to y minus 1. This comes here, this goes there. 2x minus y is equal to 2 minus 1. 2x minus y is equal to 1. This is one equation. This you bring here, children. X minus y minus 2y is how much? Minus y. Y minus 2y is how much? Minus y is equal to minus 3. Now, this is this equation. Okay, now, children? Okay, this is this equation. Now solve this, children. Minus plus plus. This gets cancelled. 2x minus x is how much? X. And 1 plus 3 is how much, children? 4. Okay. Now, what was the one equation? We have small equation. Anyone you take, children. Your wish. I will take this up. 2x minus y is equal to 1. 2 into 4 minus y is equal to 1. 8 minus y is equal to 1. This goes here, this comes here. Y is equal to 7. Okay, children. So what is your answer going to be? X is 4, y is 7, fraction is 4 by 7. This should be your answer. Like that you should answer. Compulsory I want answers like that. I want answers like that. Okay, children. Next one, third sum. A fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to numerator and denominator. For numerator and denominator, if 2 is added, the fraction becomes 9 by 11. 9 by 11. If 3 is added to both of them, it becomes 5 by 6. If 3 is added to both of them, it becomes 5 by 6. If 3 is added to both of them, it becomes 5 by 6. Now, two equations you have got, children. This into this, 11x plus 22 is equal to 9y plus 18. This is one equation. What is the other equation, children? 6x plus 18. 6x plus 18 is equal to 6x plus 18 is equal to 5y plus 15. 5y plus 15. Okay, children. Bring this here. Take this there. 11x minus 9y is equal to minus 4. Okay, children. Bring this here. Take this there. 6x minus 5y is equal to 15 minus 18 minus 3. You have to solve the equation. Okay, children. When you solve the equation, what are you going to get, children? So, which one you want to cancel, children? X or y? You let me know. I will cancel that. Your wish. You want me to cancel x or y, children? Your wish. Whichever you want, I will cancel that. Yes, children. Which one you want me to cancel, x or y?
Y.
Y. Y you want to cancel means upper one with 5, down with y. If you want to cancel upper one with 5, down one with 9. Okay, children. So 5 11s are 55x. 55x. 5 11s are 55x. Children. Okay, 5 11s are 55x minus 45y is equal to minus 20. And 9 6 are 54x minus 45y is equal to minus 27. Please check, children. Minus plus plus. This is gone, children. X is equal to 27 minus 27. Okay, children. Take any small equation. I will take 6x minus 5y is equal to minus 3. Put here x, children. 6 into 7 minus 5y is equal to minus 3. 42 minus 5y is equal to minus 3. This here, this here. 45 is equal to 5y. Y is equal to 9. So what are the equations, children? X is equal to 7, y is equal to 9, and the fraction is going to be 7 by 9. Like this, you should put the sum. Okay, children, very easy sums, children. Only thing is you have to concentrate. That's all. Okay, fourth sum, children. Fourth sum. What is fourth sum? Till five sums I will do on my own. From fifth sum onwards, five sums I will do. Sixth sum onwards I will be asking you. If you add one to numerator and subtract one from denominator, if you add one to numerator and subtract one from denominator, the fraction reduces to one. One means one by one, children. Okay, one means one by one. It becomes 1 by 2 if we add only 1 to denominator. If we add only 1 to denominator, it becomes 1 by 2. It becomes 1 by 2. Okay, children, two equations we have there. So cross multiplication, children, x plus 1 is equal to y minus 1. And here, children, 2x is equal to, that will go there, y plus 1. Bring this here, children, take this here. X minus y is equal to minus 2. Bring this here, children, 2x minus y is equal to 1. Okay, children, go for solvation elimination. Minus 2. 2x minus y is equal to 1. This is minus, this is plus, this is minus, gone. Minus x is equal to minus 3. Minus 1 is gone. X is equal to 3. In this equation, I'll substitute 3 minus y is equal to minus 2. Then y will go there, 2 will come here. Y is equal to 5. So what are your answers? X is equal to 3. Y is equal to 5. Fraction is going to be 3 by 5. This is your answer. Like this you should answer. I want three answers. What is x? What is y? What is fraction? Compulsory in exam, you should write like that only. Okay, children. Next sum. Next sum. This is the last sum I am going to say. After this, I will be asking one by one everyone. You should keep on asking. You should keep saying, children. Okay. Next one. A fraction becomes 1 by 3. All of you, please see, children. This is the last time I am going to say. From here onwards, I will be asking those who are not at all opening their mouth. For them only, I'll ask. When one is subtracted from the numerator, only numerator. When one is subtracted from numerator, then the fraction becomes 1 by 3, 1 by 3. And when 8 is added to denominator, the fraction becomes 1 by 4. The fraction becomes 1 by 4. Now go for the cross multiplication, children. This goes here. 3x minus 3 is equal to y. And this goes there. 4x is equal to y plus 8. Okay, children, this comes here. This goes there. 3x minus y is equal to 3. And this comes here, children. 4x minus y is equal to 8. Now go for the elimination, children. 3x minus y is equal to 3 and 4x minus y is equal to 8 minus plus minus this minus x is equal to minus 5, x is equal to 5. Once you got x is equal to 5, substitute in any one of the equation. I'll substitute here children. 3 into 5 minus y is equal to 3. Okay children. So what you'll get? Okay, 3 5 is 15. 15 minus y is equal to 3. Okay, 15 minus y is equal to how much children? 3. Okay, and y is equal to 12. So x is equal to 5, y is equal to 12, and the fraction is going to be 5 by 12. This is your answer. Like this, you are going to answer children. I hope everyone are copying children. Yes, children. No. One by one, I will be asking children. Whoever I call, you should answer. Okay. Now, first question we will ask to whom we will ask. First question I want to ask to Riddhi. Riddhi, Nana, can you tell this sum?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, can you tell
A
this
fraction
sum?
becomes 1 is added to both numerator.
A fraction becomes 4 by 5. 1 is added to both numerator and denominator.
X plus 1 by y plus 1 is equal to 4 by 5.
That is one condition. What is the
And
other condition?
x minus 5 by y minus 5 is equal to 1 by 2.
1 by 2. If 5 is subtracted from both of them, the fraction becomes 1 by 2. Can you tell me the cross multiplication for this?
Now cross multiply. Yes. 5x plus 5 is equal to 4y plus 4.
Okay, cross multiplication for this.
2x minus 10 is equal to y minus 5.
Okay, this here.
5x plus 5x minus 4y is equal to 5 minus 4.
4 minus 5 minus 1. Okay, this here and this here.
2x minus y is equal to minus 5 plus 10.
Okay, now which one you want to cancel? X or y?
Y.
Y. If you want to cancel y, multiply this equation
Multiply by 4.
with 4. Okay, can you tell me the multiplied 4 equation I will put here?
Okay. 8x minus 4y
Okay.
is equal to 20.
Shall I change the signs?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
4y cancel. Minus 3x is equal to minus 21. X is equal to 7.
Okay, substitute in this equation.
14 minus 5 is equal to y.
Okay. Y is equal to
Y is equal to
9.
9.
Y is equal to 9. So what is the
7 by 9. Fraction is 7 by 9.
9.
By 9.
Fraction is 7
7
by 9.
by 9.
Very good. Very good. Next, Samira will tell. Samira, can you say next sum?
Sir, numerator x into 3x by 3 minus y is equal to 18 by 11.
Okay, its numerator is multiplied by 3 and denominator is reduced by 3.
3x by 3 minus y is
Y
equal
minus
to
3.
18 by 11.
18 by 11. Y minus 3.
Y minus 3, 18 by 11. And x plus 8 by 2y is
denominator is doubled.
Is equal to 2 by 5.
Is equal to 2 by 5. Now tell me the cross multiplication for this.
33x
is equal to
33x is equal to 18y minus
54.
54.
Okay, tell me cross multiplication for this.
5x plus 45
40
is equal to 4y.
Okay, bring this here.
33x
minus 54. Take this here and bring this here. You want to cancel x or y? Which one you want to cancel?
Y, sir.
Your wish. Why
Sir,
or
can we
X?
simplify the first equation?
Simplify first equation. Yes, we can simplify first equation. That is best idea. Simplify
Oh.
first equation with 3. 11x minus 6y
Is equal.
is equal to minus 54. Bring 3 down. 11x minus 6y is equal to minus 3 ones are 3, 3 eights are 24. Now tell me which one you want to cancel, x or y, your wish.
Sir, X.
X means you have to multiply this equation with 5 and you have to multiply this equation with 11. Now tell me the equation with 5, multiply with 5 and tell.
55x minus 30y is equal to 18.
90. Multiply this equation with 11 and tell me the answer.
55x minus 44y is equal to
Minus 440. Okay. Yeah. Now this is minus, this is plus, this is plus. Cancel. 44 minus 30 is how
14.
much?
14y
14y. 440 minus
is
90 is how
equal
much?
to
350. 440 minus 90 is 350. Okay. If you take this down, what happens? Y is equal to 350 by 14. Y is equal to 14 twos are 28 and 40. Y is equal to 25. Y is equal to how much? 25. Now you have to
25.
substitute y in which equation you want to substitute? This equation or this equation?
Sec-
Your wish.
second equation, sir.
Second equation. Okay. Tell me second equation substitution. 5x minus 4y is equal to
5x minus 4 into 25 is equal to minus 40.
Okay. Keep saying. You're right.
Is equal to minus 40. 5x minus
100 minus 40. 5x
40.
is equal to 60.
60. X is equal to
X is equal to
Third.
12. X is equal to 12. Y is equal to 25. Fraction is 12 by 25.
12 by 25.
Okay. Thank you very much. Next sum.
Sir, can I tell the next?
Who is that?
Surya Kala.
Suryakal, you want to say? Okay. Tell what is the question?
The denominator of a fraction of is 4 more than the twice the numerator.
Okay.
When both the numerator and denominator are decreased by 6, then the denominator becomes 12 times the numerator. Determine the fraction.
Tell how to do.
So fraction is x by 2x plus 4.
X by y is the fraction.
When both are
Denominator
decreased by
is-
6,
No, denominator is 4 more than twice the numerator.
yes, sir.
Tell. Denominator is 4 more than twice
Four,
the
more
numerator.
than, the numerator becomes x minus 6.
When numerator and denominator are decreased by 6, then
Then it becomes 2x plus 4 minus 6 equals to 2x minus 2.
you are saying wrong. You are saying denominator becomes 12
Becomes
times the
12.
numerator. 12 times the numerator. You have to say like this. What is denominator? Y minus 6 is equal to 12 times of x minus 6. These are the two conditions. Okay, once listen. Denominator is 4 more than twice the numerator is one equation. And other condition is when denominator and numerator are decreased by 6, denominator is 12 times the numerator. Okay, you want to simplify?
Yes.
You want to simplify this?
Yes.
Tell.
Yes, sir.
Tell
2x
simplification.
minus 2 equals to 12x minus 72.
No, not like that. 2x children, y you bring here, 4 you take here. 2x minus y is equal to minus 4. This is one equation. This is over. Now there, y minus 6 is equal to 12x minus 72. Bring y here, 72 here. So 12x minus y is equal to 66. This is the other equation. Okay, this equation we will keep under this. 12x minus y is equal to 66. This is minus, this is plus, this is minus, this is gone. 2x minus 12x is minus 10x, and this is minus 70. Minus gone. X is equal to 7. Okay, children, after getting x is equal to 7, put in this equation. 2 into 7 minus y is equal to minus 4. All of you are hope you are seeing here. 14 minus y is equal to minus 4. This you bring here, this you take here. Y is equal to 18. So what are your answers, protocol children? X is equal to 7, y is equal to 18, fraction is 7 by 18. Like this you should do. Okay, children? Yes. Last sum, children. Who will done this sum? Last. Anyone?
Sir, can I say?
Yeah, please.
So the numerator of fraction is 4 less than the denominator.
1 second.
If the numerator is decreased by
numerator is 4 less than denominator.
fraction is 4 less than denominator.
Means numerator
Is equal to y minus 4.
4 less than denominator. Very good. X is equal to y minus 4. The numerator
If the
is 4 less than denominator. 4 less than denominator. Don't write 4 minus y, children. Y minus 4 you should write. What is the other condition?
If the numerator is decreased by 2 and the denominator is increased by 1, then the denominator is 8 times the numerator.
Denominator is
8 times the numerator, 8x.
yes, 8 times. Children, try to understand. After decreasing 2, after increasing 1, denominator is 8 times the numerator. Okay. Now this, if it brings now, what happens? X minus y is equal to minus 4.
Minus
Yeah, say simplify that equation. Y plus 1 is equal to
I think
8x
it's
minus
x, not
16.
x minus 2.
what am I?
I think it's not x minus 2 and it is x, sir, because numerator is x now.
Numerator is decreased by 2 and denominator is increased by 1.
Is increased by 1.
Correct only, none. That is correct. Numerator is decreased by 2. Correct only, that is. Yeah.
Okay,
Can you
sir.
simplify this equation, Anna?
Yes, sir. 8x minus y
Is equal to 1 plus
is equal to
7.
17.
Okay, now bring this equation under this.
We can write 9x
Minus plus minus.
7x is
Minus-
equal to
Minus 7x is equal
minus
to
7x
minus 21.
minus 21. X is equal to 3.
X is equal to 3. So simplifying this equation, Amma, this is very easy. No? Yeah. 3 minus y is
X
equal to
minus y is equal to minus 7. Y is equal to 7.
y is equal to 7. So what is the protocol we'll follow? X is equal to 3
Y is equal to 7.
and fraction is
Fraction is equal to 3 by 7.
3 by 7. Fantastic, children. Very good. Okay, children. So these, yes, children. Please copy down, all of you. First copy down. Don't talk. First copy down, children. If you have any doubts later, you can ask me. First you copy down. So children, remaining sums, sir, we will do tomorrow, children. All of you practice all these sums one time on your own, children. If you practice all these sums one time on your own, then only you will get. I am saying you are doing that is different, children. Anyone can do that. But you try to practice on your own, then you will understand where you are doing mistakes. At that time, you check your sums and you try to do again. And still you are not able to understand. Check the videos and slowly you pause the videos and check what I am doing and you will understand. Once you try to do on your own, children, this I am telling now, everything appears to be very easy. But when you put your pen on the paper, then you will understand where the mistake is going on. Okay, so remaining sums we will do in next video tomorrow, children. Okay, children.